Graphic. Hey guys, what's up? It's Hunter. Today we're gonna have a fun one. Not only am I in a weird mood, but I also want to thank you for all the love and support. 1,400-ish here, 130,000 on TikTok. Your boy's killing it. Thanks to you. Got a couple sponsors even talking to me, which is very bizarre. New world that we live in. But today I have the 2021 Sierra 384 QB. Okay. I think I'm gonna try to put some graphics there. Really spice it up a little bit, learning my edit game. I'll start off a little bit on the outside, then I'm going to come to the inside, do a nice slow tour, see what comes out of my mouth. We never know. See you here in a minute. And here we go, dramatic undershot, walking in. Again, this is the 2021 Sierra 384 QB. Okay. Comes in at about 53,000 pictured in here. It's going to be a good camper to check out. We'll start off just looking right here at this under storage. Ooh, what is that? A little shiny on here. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. We're back. Just had to clean this off. It's still got some little stars there, but I think that's about as good as it's going to get for us today, unfortunately. But whatever. That is literally the worst thing that has happened to me all day. So this day has been pretty freaking awesome. It's just a good day. Right here we got the outdoor kitchen, one of the shining stars of this camper. The thing is big time. Check this out. It's got 3 of those bad boys. They go back to about an elbow depth for a man with average arms that's 6 feet tall. The microwave is out here. Make some outdoor popcorn or something. Some dips, some chips. Everything that you need for your ever chill. Most campers call it a beer cooler. I call it a refrigerator, because I'm a responsible salesman and do not condone those activities at the campground. But we'll head on right inside. Actually, I'll show you this real quick. You have access to the bathroom from the outside, one of the bathrooms, your half bath, which I'll show you the bunk room that's in there here coming up soon. But Sierra, great camper, 53 grand, one of our better sellers. Look at this thing. I mean, you can tell why. It's a beautiful camper. Nice large oven, the industry's largest oven. That Insignia does not get much better than that. Massive microwave. And while I'm talking to you, I'm unscrewing the security latch to this big boy LG Mac Daddy multi-airflow quadruple layered 3 basket laying refrigerator. My goodness, does an RV camp life get any better than that? The answer is no. And if it does, I don't know what in the world you're buying, but I would like to see it. Got your island kitchen, classic island kitchen. Nice solid countertops. Listen to that bang. You got your sink there. Little snake bite. And tons of storage. And what I like here is they have kind of that soft close. You see that? Oh, watch that. See, watch this again. Plenty of storage under there. Your garbage can, your whatever that is for your vacuum. But check this out. This is what I also like. Not many campers come with this, and anyone here watching that's owned one before can attest to that. Pretty nifty. Great camper. Easy to see why it's one of the industry's best sellers. And also, the Sierra or Sandpiper, either one of those. They're a very well-known name. I just happen to sell the Sierra one, so I think you should only buy those ever. You have a recliner if you're the kind of person that likes to recline while they watch their TV. Let's give you the view right there. Boom, baby. It's a good little view. You got some fancy dancy lights up there with some little chicken wire to protect you. Keep all those light chickens out of the way. And this today, I'm not going to pull it out, but it does pull out, goes out to about right here for additional sleeping space. This one I already put in sleeper mode. You have storage underneath. You put this cushion and that cushion right in the middle. You have someone to sleep right there. Your Connex TV brought to you by a half-drinking Mountain Dew. So if you are thinking about sponsoring me, right there's prime example of what I can do for you. I guarantee you Mountain Dew sales go up by at least one while I am driving home. You have a fireplace, roast some marshmallows in here. But let's go to the part that everyone loves about this camper, is going to be this incredible bunk room. So as you walk in, the first thing that you notice here is plenty of sleeping, plenty of storage for all the kids. Stuffola. But I really like how this door closes. Boom. Latch them in. They're gone for the night. Playing Fortnite right there, or their Wii, or whatever kids do these days. And I'm going to set this up here. I'm going to show you. I hope this is getting it. I can't really see back there, but I'm going to wing it and hope that it does. Oh, God, that is so hard to get out. Okay, so I don't know what's going on with those. They are latched up to the gills, but this comes down, lays on here, and you're good to go. This part right here to activate it into the kind of sleeper mode, you do one of those numbers to release it. And then you pull that forward, let it drop down, and there you have plenty of space for sleepover heaven. Just envision that, like there. Obviously, I gotta figure out what's going on with those, but it's probably just been sitting there for a while. But check out this. I mean, it's essentially just a massive closet for, you know, all your kids' destruction. Put all their clothes there. Probably all their snacks or knickknacks. TV would go there. This person didn't get one with it. Rightfully so. Usually these TVs cost more than what they do at like a Best Buy. Here's that that exterior entrance from before. There's a good-looking man in the mirror. That's me. Storage underneath there with your sink. And right in there you got that. So it's easy to see why this camper sells so well. I mean, not many bunkhouse models have the ability to sleep as many as this does for the price that it is at the quality. They even added in a clock so you can tell time. Not right now though, it's off. Got a little peek of the bedroom, but first to the bathroom. Check out this this here shower area. Very large residential feature there. Place to hang up a towel, which for some reason is extremely rare. It's one of the first ones I've seen. Plenty of space there. A little cubby for your soaps and all that good stuff. There's all your knickknacks there. And let's go to the bedroom here. So first off, there is a little cubby right there for your personal belongings. You know, anything that you bring with you, maybe a book, or if you don't read, anything else. There's a guy, JR, in my office. He just collects these little tiny bobblehead things that don't really bob, but they're, you know, like little Jordans. It should be LeBrons, but it's whatever. Everyone's entitled to bad taste. Plenty of storage for socks there. More socks. Even, well, I don't know what you're putting down in there, but shoes or something. You got your closet, washer and dryer hookups right there, so that's always nice. And then check that out. Big old closet. You're good to go. Plenty of space over there to store all your stuffola. Nice scenic little picture to remind you of where you're going to be heading soon. But yeah, if you guys are digging my stuff, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get better, so as always, you know, drop some comments down there. Let me know what I can do. Right now, I just kind of pick it up, wing it, and roll into a camper. It's going well, but I know there's room to improve. Thank you guys for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye.